So this is now day 2 in... Right, it's day 2, right? Day 3? I mean, technically it's day 2 because we missed the night, but it's all right. It's day 2 in Savannah, Georgia. I forgot what this place is called. I want to say South Carolina. Oh, you want to see yourself?
I want to see how I look.
Oh, good, dog.
I look good.
It's a little keep watching places and say SCAD.
I don't keep walking straight.
I think these SCAD places say SCAT, but they don't say SCAT. They say SCAD for Savannah College and Design, Art and Design. SCAT in my eyes. Whole SCAT city, baby. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. This place really just looks like Tallahassee, Florida. It just looks like brick and cobblestone roads. I guess a whole bunch of churches making noise. So yesterday we got trapped in this church. This giant church. She brought me in there, and then we got caught in mass. Right now we're walking to Forsyth Park in Savannah, Georgia. I guess it's a water fountain park?
But it's very big.
They just shoot water into the sky, but it's very big. Savannah, Georgia. So this is Forsyth Park? Oh, okay, so deeper in, there's more actual stuff. This is just a walkway. The sign for 2023 is love. Look at that. Welcome to Grand Rapids. The Forsyth Park water fountain. I wonder how many people jumped in this. The water looks nice. Look at this, bro. They got a park here and then a second park back there. And we're hoping to find a bathroom, which maybe cannot find. Since we're in Savannah, Georgia, we might just drive to Charleston, South Carolina, or Charlotte, North Carolina. So now it's a little more balanced. Okay, so screw Charleston and screw Charlotte. We going to Bluffton, South Carolina. Oh, learned of the word low country last night and discovered that Bluffton, South Carolina is super close to where we're at. And based on Wikipedia, it says that it's also low country, so that could be cool. TikTok says that that place looks cool, looks beachy. What is the first Girl Scout headquarters in the United States? I'm at a place called Bluffton, town of Bluffton, South Carolina. I'm at this Oyster Factory Park. This is like a smaller beach town, I guess. Saw it on iPhone Maps last night. Saw a couple TikToks last night and this morning, and now I'm here. And this place looks really cool. Like, really cool. It's not the tourist spot. It says Plantation in a couple spots, but it'll be all right. Gotta do some rebranding though, because you know Plantation. What's this, bro? Oyster Park. Oh, there's one place too. This is cool. It's don't look. What's this? Life outside the home. Damn, slave. Cyrus Garvin. He was likely born into slavery, possibly. Y'all can pause and read this. What? That's crazy. So we were there, and then we walked and got here. We hopped this fence because we saw this little path. We don't know where it goes, or probably shouldn't walk back that way because that way is private property. Huh. That's kind of crazy. But at the same time, not that crazy. I think the area looks probably nice. Damn. The path ends. Jesus Christ is king.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What else y'all writing on these stones? Yeah, the path ends. It's just this. See, I'm not tweaking. This is Jesus Christ is king.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Corinthians, God's word, Proverbs, Corinthians again, another Corinthians. I guess the people out here love Corinthians. See a sign that says private property? Probably somewhere. That's hilarious. You'll peep this. It looks like looks like Steamboat Willie from like Disney. Looks like a Jamaican Steamboat Willie, bro. You know, from afar, I thought it said Sea King Taylor. I was like, oh cool, one piece Jamaican, one piece Steamboat. But nah, it says Susie King Taylor. Well, Susie King, you've got yourself a boat. Just want to see something. Shit's fucking tall, bro.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
Today's our last day at Savannah, Georgia. It's still super cold. I know my New York cousins will be making hella jokes at me because I can't survive in a brick. This is ridiculous. Look at this. This is River Street. Part of River Street going down to River Street. We ate at a place called Huey's on River Street. This place is pretty good. About the only food I was able to eat this entire trip besides a mandarin orange. Got a cup of water, 53 degrees. This cup of water is ice cold with no ice in it. I'm pissed. Is it good? Mm-hmm. I'm cold fuck. This beignet.
Warm.
Beignet, the only warm thing. Beignet, the only warm. Holy fuck. Beignet, the only warm.
I think how much is it here?
Oh. Beignet, the only warm thing.
So good.
So they were on Weir Street. We're about to go down to the that gift shop I was at where I got those petrified animals. I'm about to go see if I can get another petrified animal.
Can I get some water?
Yeah. There's so many candy stores on this street. It's disturbing. Like, and there's a lot of old people, so they don't be eating candy like that. One of the candy stores you walk into by accident, they were giving out praline samples, and it's like pecan, butter pecan sauce. I don't know.
Butter pecan, bitch Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay, time for the weekend.